How to add wall covering using Cadimage. So first you have to have Cadimage add-on in your ArchiCAD. I'm using ArchiCAD 19. You can add Cadimage add-on in whichever version you have. There is add-on for ArchiCAD 22, 22, 24. So in this video, I want to show you how to add wall covering just like this using ArchiCAD Cadimage. So these walls are basically these walls like this, which I have just edited and added my wall covering using Cadimage. So I'll first go to the ground floor. I'll select my roof and I want to hide this layer. Okay. Then I need to select my walls and intersect them, the external walls. But I don't want, if I intersect this wall as it is right now, let me show you what will happen. If I intersect this wall, if I go to 3D, you can see this wall here has been deleted. So you need to split these walls before intersecting. So this wall here, you have to select it and select this icon here, split. This looks like an axe. Select it, and then I want to split at this point to that, and then you can choose either this bottom or up direction, doesn't matter, it will be split anyway. So if I pick here, you can see this wall has been split in that position. I'll do the same thing here, then pick up. Okay, which this wall is okay here, this one is okay. Now this one need to be split. I will split at this point, and then select it again, and then split at that point. Then you can pick any direction, any side. This one is okay, this one is okay. This one need to be split at this point. Can pick up. This is okay, this is okay. We have already split at that point. So I will need to select all these external walls and intersect them. That is what I want to do. Okay, that wall and that wall, and then I want to, you can see this icon, intersect. Just pick it. So that wall has been intersect. Now I can go now to Cadimage covering, wall covering. Then you can select the settings. So I can just pick whichever settings that will suit me. Okay, you can change. Let me go to layout first. Then top shape, you can change. Okay, base shape. Okay, for top shape, I can just also select to follow the wall top. Then covering, I can change this covering to be you can either use generic, brick. Let me use generic. The current is a weatherboard, so it depends. So you can just use whichever you want. So let me pick. Let's just use the default. Below steel, above head. I'll use that rectangular profile. Then you can go to display options. Okay, then click OK. Then I want my covering to appear on the exterior. If you want to, the interior is okay, but I want it on the external part of on the outside part. So I'll pick outside part, and then like that. Now you can see there's this extra layer. This is the covering. If I go now to 3D, can now be able to see how Cadimage has been able to transform our wall. Now, if I go back to this one, I can just pick, use, and intersect them. And again, go to Cadimage, covering, wall covering, click OK, and then pick outside. Again, this wall I want to intersect before I can add covering. Then Cadimage, covering, wall covering, click OK, then I will pick outside. You can also do the same, Cadimage, covering, wall covering, okay, and then pick inside this time. So it will just add in the interior part. So if I go now to 3D, you can see what we have just achieved. Now I can go to view. Locking. So you can right click, and then I want to show the hidden, show all in 3D. I want to view hidden, including my roof. So go to back to the story. options, elements, so this has been hidden, shell or roof. I can just choose here, then okay. Now if I go to 3D, before that just copy this parameter, inject this window. Now if I go to elevation, can be able to see how now my building elevation appears. We'll go to node elevation and see how the coverings have transformed the appearance of my walls. Now my walls appear perfect. So I will have to end this video now. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.